Hey, brothers and sisters, Psalm 46 is a very prophetic psalm. Sometimes we go over scripture and we read it, and then sometimes it just hits us like a ton of bricks. And this was the case when I was listening to Psalm 46. I just could not believe all the prophetic scripture that was basically embedded and prophesied in this psalm. So I wanted to share this with you. What I'm going to do is I'm going to allow the narrator to read it. I'm going to stop the video, share a scripture verse where in the Bible we can also find this exact same reference, and then pick it back up so that you guys can see some of the things that are being talked about, such as the future tribulation, the future millennial reign, and the future eternity. So again, hopefully this gives you another fresh look at Psalm 46, as I was extremely blown away by the prophetic nature of this psalm.
God is our refuge and strength, a very present help in trouble. Therefore will not we fear, though the earth be removed, and though the mountains be carried into the midst of the sea. Though the waters thereof roar and be troubled, though the mountains shake with the swelling thereof, Selah. There is a river, the streams whereof shall make glad the city of God, the holy place of the tabernacles of the Most High. God is in the midst of her. She shall not be moved. God shall help her, and that right early. The heathen raged, the kingdoms were moved. He uttered his voice, the earth melted. The Lord of hosts is with us. The God of Jacob is our refuge, Selah. Come, behold the works of the Lord, what desolations he hath made in the earth. He maketh wars to cease unto the end of the earth. He breaketh the bow, and cutteth the spear in sunder. He burneth the chariot in the fire. Be still, and know that I am God. I will be exalted among the heathen. I will be exalted in the earth. The Lord of hosts is with us. The God of Jacob is our refuge, Selah.